2025 Maruti Suzuki Omni van. A classic reimagined Maruti Suzuki has revived the legendary Omni van for 2025 with a fresh design, improved safety features, and a modern engine. The Omni has been a favorite among families and businesses for decades, and its return marks a significant shift in Maruti Suzuki's approach to compact utility vehicles. Design and exterior. The 2025 Omni van retains its iconic boxy shape but with a more aerodynamic touch. It features sleek LED headlights, a redesigned grille, and new alloy wheels, giving it a modern yet nostalgic appeal. The compact dimensions make it perfect for city driving while ensuring easy parking. Additionally, the van now comes with sliding doors for easy entry and exit, along with a newly designed rear section for enhanced cargo space. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Omni has undergone a complete transformation. The cabin is more spacious, featuring a digital instrument cluster, a touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and comfortable fabric upholstered seats. The dashboard layout is minimalistic yet functional, with improved legroom and headroom. The Omni also offers ample storage compartments, rear AC vents, and foldable rear seats to maximize utility for both passengers and cargo. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Omni van is powered by a 1.0L petrol engine, offering a balance of fuel efficiency and performance. It comes with both manual and automatic transmission options. Maruti Suzuki has also introduced a CNG variant, catering to budget-conscious users looking for lower running costs. The engine delivers an estimated 22 km/L for the petrol version and 30 km/kg for the CNG model, making it one of the most fuel-efficient vans in its segment. Safety and features. Maruti Suzuki has significantly upgraded the safety features in the new Omni. It now comes equipped with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, a rear-view camera, and a high-strength body structure. These enhancements make the van safer than ever, meeting modern crash safety standards. The Omni also features an anti-theft alarm, speed alerts, and child safety locks, making it a reliable choice for families. Price and availability. Expected to be priced competitively, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Omni van will target both commercial users and families. It will be available in multiple color options and trim levels to suit different needs. Official bookings are set to open soon, with deliveries expected by mid-2025. The base model is expected to start at around 4.5 lakh rupees, while the fully loaded variant may go up to 6.5 lakh rupees. The return of the Omni van is exciting news for fans of this classic vehicle. With its blend of practicality, affordability, and modern features, it promises to be a popular choice in the compact van segment. Whether for business, family use, or adventure, the 2025 Omni is set to make an impact on Indian roads. Stay tuned to World Rides Review for a detailed test drive and performance analysis.